Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In the last one, we done a loop around Sri Lanka, checking out the local wildlife and some of the most well-known tourist hotspots. In this episode, we fly back to the Troopy in India, do a little bit of work on the car before driving from Cochin to the beautiful Hampi. We've just landed back in Cochin and there was a little bit of extra questioning at immigration about the countries that we're planning to visit very shortly, but it was all good. Actually, the immigration officer joked, he said that we were denied, but no, they're all good. They're actually pretty funny. So now we're just heading back to the Troopy. Do you think I'm excited? Take this wheel and put that on the front because there was a puncture, so it's in the back of the car. Something to fix today, I think.
So before we leave Cochin, I just need to do a service on the car. Doing the car servicing is not difficult, but dropping the oil, finding someone to do that is a bit difficult. So just come to a mechanic here and he's letting us use his workspace to do the work. I've also got to replace a ballast in one of the HIDs. So hopefully it won't take long to do that. He's actually trying to find us some more oil. We carry a replacement set of oil, but obviously want to replace that when we do the oil change. So he's chasing that up now and then dump all the oils and hit the road again. So I found out that the repair shops around here do the same method that I can do, so I'm going to do this now. You can see here, that's the culprit, which is a bit of a shame because apart from that the tyres have been holding up well. This has done 50,000 Ks now and as you can see the tread's still pretty strong. Taking a bit of a beating here, but the rest of the tyre's in good shape. So anyway, I'll pull this out now.
Oh, you got it? So we are just going to camp here tonight at the mechanics. It's not one of our most...
driving in the night?
Yeah, it's much better than driving the night, which yeah, I was 100% not keen to do. So yeah, the plan is Mark's still fixing the tyre. It's been a bit stubborn. Gonna do that, then move the car over there, set it up, and then we're going over to Prasad, who is the guy who owns the mechanics. We're going over to his place, which is just around the corner. So we're going to meet his family and then get an early night because I'm feeling pretty tired, and we're going to try and get an early start tomorrow so we can start heading north.
So the tyre's fixed. It's this method is considered more like a temporary emergency sort of fix, but it seems to be that's the only thing they offer here. So it'll do for us for now. We've got spares, so if this one fails, we've got another one. So
you're not putting that back on the car now?
No, not right now. So I'll pump it up now and put a bit of air in the rest of them, and job done. Nice easy method too. So if you are off-roading in remote places, I'd recommend getting the kits. They're not that expensive and it takes about 5 minutes to do.
We're just having a traditional Indian breakfast. So we have a delicious egg curry, potato curry, and what was this one called again?
Appam.
Appam.
Pal appam. Pal appam.
Pal appam.
Yeah, that's
okay.
right.
Thank you so much for cooking this. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay.
What does Russell Coit say? Time to hit the road.
How was your first night back in the Troopy?
Amazing. So nice and quiet here. Another good camp spot. Yeah, there's nobody around. Beautiful scenery.
Look at
Nice
that.
landscape. It was a bit burnt out here. Looks like a fire's gone through probably in the last 12 months.
Yeah, our feet were black last night.
Yeah, but that's okay. It was hot yesterday, but it was nice and cool last night. Didn't even need the fan on. So now we've got about 450 k's to get to, I'm going to say Hampi, but every time we say that to a local, they kind of look at us a bit funny. So I think it's Hampi. I don't know. That's where we're going.
We have just arrived in Hampi. The drive here was pretty dusty but extremely scenic. The countryside honestly just blew me away. It was really beautiful, but the landscape here is actually, I think, a little bit more impressive. It is just so beautiful. There's just rock and lush green rice fields. So beautiful. I've never seen anything like this before. So yeah, we just followed this little road. There's a Hindu temple up here, and yes, we're just gonna have a drive around, check the area out, see if we can find somewhere to camp. But yeah, it feels good to be here. We went for a bit of a drive around, just sussing out the area, and it is really beautiful just driving around here. But we decided that we'd just come back and camp here. So before we do that, Mark's just gone to check with the Baba from the temple right here. Just coming back now, so hopefully he's got some good news. feel like the sugar in it is going to keep me going all day. Yep. Bubba just took us on a bit of a spontaneous tour around the mountain, which is just behind us. And it's actually like some really cool caves that you can sort of meander through to do a bit of a loop around the top of the mountain. We did, because it was so spontaneous, forget to take the camera, but we'll take you back up there for sunset. And there's actually just a step well over there, so he's just gave us some buckets. So we're gonna go get some water and take a shower. Originating in India, step wells like this were built to store water mainly to cope with seasonal fluctuations in water availability. Some are built with a high level of detail, and they also range in size, which we'll be checking out as we explore the states further north. Cold? The sun is just about to set, so we're walking back up onto this rock mountain. So yeah, we're going to walk through the caves and then go find a good spot to watch the sunset. These bushes are actually so spiky. Are they cactus? The spikes on them are massive. There's a few bones in here too. There's a little bit of artwork just up on the rock here. I'm not really too sure what they are. The one on the right maybe looks like a cow. And yeah, I can't pick the other two. How are you liking Hampi?
Yeah.
That's your rock.
You see the sunset better from up here.
I'm so not going to be able to get up there. You're trying to get away from me.
Moving vicariously through the ground.
Yeah. Actually though, this spot is so beautiful. And my friends, we have it all to ourselves. That's what I said. Wasn't that a beautiful sunset? How are you feeling since being back in the Troopy?
Good. It's good to be home. And India is up to its old tricks of continuing to surprise us.
It's been pretty amazing, hey?
Has people have been super friendly, landscape's been incredible. Pretty good.
Yeah. Pretty good. And the food's like
As
pretty
always.
good too.
Yeah.
Not going to complain there.
Amazing.
We've just packed the car down and I'm about to walk up to the temple to say bye and thanks to Bubba. And then we are going into Hampi itself to check out the ancient city. I kind of wish we went a little bit sooner. It's like not even 8 o'clock and it's already so hot. It's actually not that bad of a heat though because it's more dry than humid, so it's kind of a bit more bearable, but everything opens at 6, so we probably should have went in, but anyway. So yeah, that's what we're doing. What are you doing up there?
Just cleaning the panel.
Is it pretty dirty?
It's pretty dusty.
How dirty is the cloth?
This one's not too bad. The first one was
Oh my god! Black.
noticeably affects the performance.
Good morning. So this is Baba.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
This only just, yeah, so very good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank
Baba.
you. Bye bye. Apart from the hippies, most people come to Hampi to check out these ruins. At one stage, this area contained the second largest city in the world. Unfortunately, during our stay though was a big festival, so getting to the main ruins proved difficult. Something to do properly next time. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, we continue our journey north to Rajasthan. Until then, see ya.